Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to fix your life with Stoicism. Today, we're diving into ancient wisdom that has helped countless people find peace, purpose, and resilience. Whether you're facing challenges, seeking personal growth, or simply wanting to live a more fulfilling life, Stoicism offers timeless advice that can transform your perspective. Stoicism, a philosophy that dates back to ancient Greece, is centered around the principles of focusing on what we can control, accepting what we cannot, and cultivating inner peace regardless of external circumstances. This philosophy has been embraced by thinkers and leaders throughout history, from Marcus Aurelius to modern-day practitioners, due to its practical approach to life's difficulties. By integrating Stoic practices into your daily routine, you can develop a mindset that enables you to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and composure. We'll explore key concepts such as the dichotomy of control, mindfulness, negative visualization, and the cultivation of virtue, each offering unique strategies for managing stress, enhancing self-awareness, and living in alignment with your values. These principles can help you build emotional resilience, improve decision-making, and foster a deeper sense of satisfaction and meaning in your life. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon button for notifications about upcoming new videos. This way, you won't miss out on any future content designed to help you live a better, more fulfilled life. Okay, let's get started. Chapter 1. Understanding Stoicism. First, let's understand what Stoicism is. Originating in ancient Greece, Stoicism is a philosophy founded by Zeno of Citium. Its teachings were later refined by philosophers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, accept what we cannot, and cultivate inner peace regardless of external circumstances. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of rationality and virtue, encouraging individuals to live in accordance with nature and reason. Stoicism posits that while we cannot control external events or other people's actions, we can control our own responses and attitudes. By aligning our will with the natural order of the world and practicing self-discipline, we can achieve a tranquil and resilient state of mind. The teachings of Stoicism provide practical tools for dealing with life's challenges, helping us develop a mindset that is calm, composed, and focused on what truly matters. This ancient wisdom remains relevant today, offering timeless strategies for leading a more balanced and fulfilling life. Chapter 2. The Dichotomy of Control. The foundation of Stoic philosophy is the dichotomy of control. It's the understanding that some things are within our control, while others are not. We control our thoughts, actions, and reactions. We don't control external events or other people's actions. By internalizing this principle, we can reduce anxiety and focus our energy on what truly matters. This concept encourages us to shift our focus inward, concentrating on self-improvement and maintaining our own moral compass. Instead of being disturbed by external events, we learn to accept them with equanimity, knowing that our true power lies in how we choose to respond. This shift in perspective fosters resilience and emotional stability, as we no longer waste energy trying to change the unchangeable. Embracing the dichotomy of control allows us to navigate life's challenges with a calm and composed mindset, fostering a sense of peace and purpose. By consistently applying this principle, we can build a foundation of inner strength and clarity, enabling us to live more intentional and fulfilling lives. Chapter 3. Practicing mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness is central to Stoic practice. It's about being present and fully engaged in the moment. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and a Stoic philosopher, emphasized living in the present, free from distractions of the past and future. Regular practices like journaling, meditation, and mindful breathing can help you develop this awareness. Journaling allows for reflection on daily experiences and thoughts, promoting a deeper understanding of one's actions and motives. Meditation cultivates a calm and focused mind, enabling better control over our reactions to external events. Mindful breathing brings immediate attention to the present, reducing stress and enhancing clarity. These practices align with the Stoic belief that we should not be overwhelmed by regrets or anxieties, but instead focus on the here and now. By integrating mindfulness into daily life, we can improve our ability to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, fostering a balanced and serene mindset. This heightened awareness helps us live more intentionally, appreciate the present, and handle life's challenges with greater poise and resilience. Chapter 4. Embracing negative visualization. Negative visualization, or premeditatio malorum, is a powerful Stoic exercise. It involves imagining possible challenges or setbacks in advance. By contemplating these scenarios, we can better prepare ourselves emotionally and mentally. This doesn't mean dwelling on negativity, but building resilience by facing potential difficulties head-on. The practice encourages us to visualize adverse situations and consider how we would respond, allowing us to preemptively strengthen our coping mechanisms. This proactive approach reduces the shock and stress when actual challenges arise, fostering a sense of preparedness and calm. By regularly engaging in negative visualization, we develop a mindset that is not easily rattled by unforeseen events. It helps us appreciate the present moment by reminding us that things could always be worse. This Stoic technique teaches us to face life's uncertainties with courage and equanimity, turning potential adversities into opportunities for growth and self-improvement. By embracing and preparing for the worst, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater resilience and composure. Chapter 5. Cultivating Virtue. Stoicism teaches that a good life is a virtuous life. The four cardinal virtues in Stoicism are wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Cultivating these virtues helps us align our actions with our values, leading to a more meaningful and ethically sound life. Wisdom involves making decisions based on rational thought and understanding. Courage is the strength to face difficulties with resolve and bravery. Justice encompasses fairness and treating others with respect. Temperance is about self-control and moderation. By focusing on small, daily actions that embody these virtues, we gradually build a character rooted in integrity and honor. Practicing wisdom might involve thoughtful reflection before making choices, while courage can be shown by standing up for what is right despite fear. Justice can be practiced by treating others fairly in our interactions, and temperance by exercising moderation in our habits. These incremental steps accumulate, fostering a life of purpose and virtue, in accordance with Stoic principles. Through consistent effort, we can transform our lives, achieving inner peace and contributing positively to the world around us.
Chapter 6. Accepting Fate, Amor Fati.
Amor Fati, or the love of fate, is about embracing everything that happens in our lives, both good and bad. It's the understanding that every event is an opportunity for growth and learning. By accepting our fate with grace and positivity, we can find meaning and joy even in adversity. This Stoic principle encourages us to view life's challenges not as misfortunes but as essential parts of our journey. Embracing Amor Fati means recognizing that every experience, no matter how difficult, contributes to our personal development and resilience. Instead of resisting or lamenting our circumstances, we learn to appreciate them as necessary steps towards becoming wiser and stronger individuals. This mindset helps us remain optimistic and proactive, turning obstacles into opportunities for self-improvement. By loving our fate, we align ourselves with the natural flow of life, reducing stress and cultivating a deeper sense of contentment. Ultimately, Amor Fati teaches us to cherish every moment and find purpose in our experiences, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Chapter 7. Reflecting and Growing. Regular reflection is key to personal growth in Stoicism. Take time each day to review your actions, thoughts, and feelings. Consider what went well, what didn't, and how you can improve. This ongoing self-assessment helps you stay aligned with your values and continuously grow as a person. By reflecting daily, you can identify patterns in your behavior, recognize areas where you may have deviated from your principles, and make conscious efforts to correct them. This practice encourages mindfulness and accountability, fostering a deeper understanding of yourself and your motivations. It allows you to celebrate your successes, learn from your mistakes, and set intentions for future actions. Reflection also provides an opportunity to cultivate gratitude, acknowledge progress, and maintain a balanced perspective on your journey. Through consistent self-evaluation, you develop greater self-awareness and emotional intelligence, which are essential for personal development and living a virtuous life. Regular reflection, therefore, is not just a tool for self-improvement, but a fundamental practice for leading a purposeful and authentic life. Thank you for joining me on this journey into Stoicism. By applying these principles, you can transform your life, build resilience, and find true inner peace. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Stay mindful, stay virtuous, and embrace your faith. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a fulfilling life.